Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to open Viki on your Apple TV. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to access Viki on their Apple TV, like right here. How do you actually go ahead and open up Viki? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to do this is that if you don't see Viki already on your Apple TV, that means it's not installed. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the App Store here and then search for Viki in this magnifying glass. So click on the magnifying glass and then you can type in Viki here. So we'll actually type it in. So V, and sometimes it auto populates as soon as you start typing it in. Okay. And as you can see here, Viki is now on the bottom left. So click on Viki. And so if you don't have Viki installed just yet, you'll have the option to install it from this window. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and open up Viki on your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.